Hello everyone. Let us learn about human respiratory system. Human respiratory system consists of nostrils present in the nose and trachea, and these are the bronchi. Plural is the bronchi, singular is the bronchus, and it is bifurcated and goes inside the lungs. Lungs are balloon shaped structure which are protected in the rib cage, and these bronchi are again bifurcated into bronchioles. They are branched into bronchioles, and these bronchioles are ended with alveoli. When we take oxygen rich air inside our nostrils, as you know that in nostrils there present hairs and mucus. Hairs in the nostril will be helpful in filtration of the air. The dust particles or the smoke particles which enter inside our nose will be filtered by hairs. And also the lining of the nose is also have mucus. Mucus will be helpful in absorbing, trapping disease causing germs. And the filtered air enter inside the trachea. Trachea is made up of ring of cartilage. Trachea is made up of ring of cartilage because it will avoid collapsing of the air. Air should straight away enter inside the bronchi. And then it goes to the bronchioles and reaches alveoli. Alveoli are also called as air sacs, which contain very thin capillaries. And the exchange of gases takes place on the surface of the alveoli itself. The oxygen which is taken will be given to the blood vessels, and these blood vessels will carry this oxygen to each and every cell of our body. And from each and every cell of our body, carbon dioxide will be taken towards the alveoli and it will be diffused inside the alveoli. And then the carbon dioxide will be taken from the bronchioles, from the bronchi, from the trachea, and will be exhaled through our nostrils. Now, how the transportation of oxygen takes place to each and every cell of our body. Transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So let us learn about how oxygen will reach inside our body. Okay. The oxygen will be combined with the respiratory center known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a respiratory center which has high affinity towards oxygen. You know where hemoglobin is there, which gives red pigment to red blood cells. That hemoglobin will combine with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin molecule. And this oxyhemoglobin molecule will supply the oxygen to each and every cell of our body efficiently. Then about the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be supplied in the soluble form. That is, it dissolves in the blood and then it will be brought towards the alveoli. So this is how the exchange of gases takes place, and the oxygen will reach to the blood and the carbon dioxide from the blood will be brought back towards our alveoli. So this is about the transportation of carbon dioxide and oxygen. So let us now see the mechanism of breathing. See, when we inhale, that is oxygen rich air is when it is inhaled, then what happens? Rib cage moves up. Rib cage moves up and the diaphragm will get flattened. And because of which the volume in the lungs will get increases. When the rib cage moves up, volume get increases in the lungs and the air rushes inside the lungs. And when we exhale the carbon dioxide rich air, when we exhale, that time rib cage goes down and the diaphragm moves up, because of which the volume in the lungs will become less. The volume in the lungs will become less, decreases. The volume decreases, and that is how the air will goes from the lungs towards outside. So this is how there is a mechanism of breathing. and about the human respiratory system. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.